Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat concept embodies a perfect fusion of raw muscle and refined sophistication, captivating both car enthusiasts and everyday drivers. Its exterior design unfolds step by step, beginning with a bold, aggressive front fascia adorned with a signature grille and piercing LED headlights, followed by sculpted hood lines and a sleek, aerodynamic profile that exudes confidence. While its powerful stance commands respect on the road, the striking design may appear too assertive in congested urban settings. Inside, the cabin offers an equally impressive experience. Premium leather seats with intricate stitching invite occupants into a world of luxury, while the dashboard presents a driver-centric layout featuring a high-resolution digital instrument cluster and an intuitive touchscreen interface that delivers real-time performance data and advanced connectivity. Although the modern design enhances comfort and functionality, some traditionalists might find the minimalist approach less familiar. Performance is where this concept truly excels. Under the hood, a supercharged V8 engine unleashes blistering acceleration and a top speed that challenges its fiercest competitors. Step by step, power is harnessed through precise gear shifts, adaptive suspension, and an integrated Farida tuning system that optimizes throttle response. Though this focus on raw performance comes at the expense of fuel efficiency. Priced around $140,000, the concept targets discerning buyers aged 35 to 65 and competes with models like the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 and Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. In summary, the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat concept stands as a testament to American muscle reinvented for the modern era, blending audacious design, cutting-edge technology, and heart-pounding performance into an icon of power and elegance. Its bold spirit and relentless drive invite those who value heritage to embrace a new era of excellence.